I met a playboy when I was in Canada. He was in his 60s. He said 4 women were nothing. Four hot blonde women all over my bed. So he had many women. I mean, countless number of women. Every day, minimum is a woman, maximum 4 women. On an average, 2 women every night. And now he was 60. He was so miserable. He was in such a miserable state. I don't know what to tell you. I just can't explain. We met for a coffee in Tim Hortons, and he didn't let me speak a single word. He was just continuously speaking for 4 hours. And I was shocked. I mean, I'd never met a person like that before. And I realized that all his life he had only had sex. He never had an emotional connect with people. And now we kind of met. He found me, and he just wanted to talk. He wanted to talk to me. That 60 years of not talking. And I did listen. Because I understood what was happening within him. And being a playboy, he was, living a lavish lifestyle. He was not earning much. Whatever he earned, he was spending on, alcohol, drugs, women. So he wasted all his money. Now he was living in a tiny apartment. He took me to his apartment. He showed me it was a mess. And then I just sat with him and I told him, why don't you just calm yourself down? I didn't teach him meditation because that guy was not in a state of meditation. I just told him, just sit down. Just sit down and just be quiet. Whatever you want to talk to me, just try to let it go, in the atmosphere. Let it go. Just give it to the universe. Give it to the life around you. Because you can't sit and talk to me, for 60 years now. Or you can't express that 60 years of suppressed emotion. Just let it go. And trust me, he did that. He followed what I said. And you know what? You will not believe this. He won a lottery of 250K Canadian dollars. And then he bought a Mustang, he got married, and he finally settled.
Oh my God, what a transformation.
Yeah, so he messages me once in a while now, but he's very happy, I just told him, don't mess up your money again, because you can't get lucky all the time. He said, no, I'm going to make it wise and, I'm going to live a wise life, etc., etc. I said, okay. So, you might be a playboy now, but once when you get to that age of 60, you might want that badly. You might want to talk to somebody. You might want that love. Now, luckily, he found me because I could sit there and listen to him. But for 4 hours, which woman would want to simply sit and listen when he's just continuously speaking? And I'm sure he was not able to date any women till then because women were going crazy. They couldn't even sit for 20 minutes.